let's take a look on how to make your clothes dryer part of your smart home. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Dial Home Tech, and today we're going to be taking a look on how to make your clothes dryer at home a part of your smart home. And for that, we're going to be using a simple sensor called SmartDry. And right off the bat, I want to thank SmartDry for sending me a unit for the review, but as always, the opinions in this video are my own. So let's get started with that. So let's get started by simply saying that you can pick one of these sensors up at Amazon for 49 bucks, and in turn, you can turn your old clothes dryer into a smart device, part of your smart home. To do a quick unboxing, I just want to say that they do have, right off the bat, a little thank you card, thanking you for purchasing the product, and then you have the sensor and the bridge components right after. They also have included a little screwdriver and the extra battery to go with it, so once your first battery is out, you have an extra one sitting right inside of the box. One cool thing that I found is that they actually have these little instructions on the box cutout, which will tell you what to do first. So all you have to do is just kind of follow along and install the sensor, install the app, and the setup was actually very simple to do. The sensor in itself has two very strong magnets on the back, which will help it hold into place inside of the dryer drum. The sensor, which you're going to attach inside of your dryer drum, has three small sensors inside, which have a humidity sensor, a temperature sensor, as well as an accelerometer sensor. And these sensors will work together to let you know if your clothes are dry, if the dryer is still running, and if the temperature inside of the dryer is at a hazardous temperature. So if it's way too hot for your clothes, it'll actually let you know, so that you can kind of quickly go upstairs and turn it off, or put the right adjustment that you need to do so that you could potentially avoid a fire hazard. Some of you may be wondering if you can use the sensor on your dryer, and the answer is yes. The sensor was made to work with both electrical as well as gas dryers. The setup process is very easy, so after you install the application, all you have to do is just open it up and it'll start reading and trying to find where your hub is, and it'll also let it connect to the bridge. The setup does have to be done on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so if you have a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, you're not going to be able to do that, but most of you guys should have a 2.4, so it's safe to assume you should be okay using this device at home. Now, the value on this device does come in on the fact that you do get a notification right on your mobile device if your clothes are already dry but the dryer is still running, or if the dryer has already finished its cycle but the clothes are still damp. So it makes it smart in that way where you can check for your clothes and adjust appropriately based on the results that you're getting from your app. This feature of being notified if you're not around your dryer actually lets you save money, save energy, and also lower the carbon footprint for the environment. By simply letting you know that your dryer is still running but your clothes are actually dry, you can save about $60, on an average of $60 a year, by just kind of simply shutting off your dryer with those 10 minutes remaining, 7 minutes remaining if your clothes are already dry. One of the nifty little things about this device is that it does connect with your voice assistant from Amazon. So all you have to do is just ask your Alexa enabled device for the status on the SmartDry, and it'll in return let you know if your clothes are running, if the clothes are dry but the dryer is still running, and so on and so forth. So for those of you on your smart home journey, this is a pretty awesome pickup at a very affordable price to make your smart home project even more robust. As always, you can find the link for the product right in my description, and if you enjoyed the video and it was of value to you, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the little bell where you get notified every time my new videos come out. Well everyone, this about wraps it up for this one. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Until next time, I am Dial. See ya.